Muffled metallic pulses establish a rhythmic foundation, evoking the ticking of a countdown. The background texture is a low-frequency rumble, steady and ominous, simulating the pressure of a containment breach. High-frequency digital chirps punctuate the silence at erratic intervals. The delivery is flat, clinical, and rapid fire. The verses detail the technical aspects of the thermal runaway without embellishment. The radio expands through the street and the residential grid, trying to contain the damage that the rising heat has bid. 9 square miles under the shadow of a fracture, holding off failure of the structure. Anaheim, when it stirred, the lines are drawn in sand. Evacuation protocols across the urban land. The chorus is a massive distorted wall of sound, and emphasizing the scale of the evacuation zone. The vocal is multi-layered, reflecting the collective concern of the impact cities. Irritant to the vision, caustic to the skin. The threshold of safety is wearing very thin, inhaling the vapor of an unplanned release, displacing the population searching for a peace. Cracks on the surface, the structural integrity, testing the limits of our civil density. The technical details of the methyl macro properties are recited with detached accuracy, focusing on the volatility and the danger of the rupture. The radio expands through the street and the residential grid, trying to contain the damage that the rising heat has bid. 9 square miles under the shadow of a fracture, holding our breath for the failure of the structure. Anaheim, when it stirred, the lines are drawn in sand. Evacuation protocols across the urban land. The chorus returns with increased intensity, highlighting the urgency of the expanding evacuation radius. A thermal runaway.
The vessel starts to strain, watching the monitor, waiting for the rain. Is it a release, or is it the end of the line? A state of emergency, a warning and a sign. A bridge section featulated and processed with heavy distortion, emphasizing the fragile barrier between containment and catastrophe.
The radio expands through the street and the residential grid, trying to contain the damage that the rising heat has bid. Anaheim, when it stirred, the lines are drawn in sand. The final chorus reaching of distortion and volume, signifying the critical state of the vessel.
Containment check. Thermal limit exceeded.